Score.
Good morning. Welcome to the Bradenton Beaches. We're on Maria Island.
Right now we're at Coquina Beach, I think is how you say it. We're going to spend some time here this morning and do some exploring today, meet up with some fun people. So we hope you come along for the adventure with us. If you're new to our channel, we're Steve and Audra. We travel in our self-converted camper van with our cat, Lady Gray. Now it's time for some breakfast. Come on in.
Bran flakes.
Keeps you regular. Steve's making a little bit of a mess here. When he leans down to get a spoonful, the wind blows the milk. I guess I need to hold mine up to my mouth too. He was playing with a leaf. Oh my goodness, little squirrel. Dude, you're funny. What were you doing? You playing with a leaf? I guess you're friendly, huh? I don't have any food for you. Hey, little guy.
You having fun with that leaf?
Yeah, you were playing with that leaf. Too bad we missed it. Little guy, what are you doing? Huh? There he goes. What are you doing? Hello, dude. Hello, dude. What are you doing? What's your name? We're Steve and Audra. We travel in that big white van over there. You see it? You guys are crazy. You're crazy. You're crazy. You're crazy. Here, let's get one of these. Here, have one of these. Look at that. I don't want that. You don't want that. Are you crazy? What are you doing? Say hi to YouTube. Hi, YouTube. It's pretty obvious the squirrels cannot read. One of the nice things about this area, on the whole island, there's this free trolley that goes up and down different stops. You can get on and off wherever you want. Well, we're getting a quick walk in this morning. The beaches here are really pretty. Along the whole beach there's some trees, so you have shade, there's picnic tables, there's changing rooms and showers all up and down the beach, free parking, which we love, right? So it's definitely a nice spot to hang out.
This trail is also nice because you can ride a bike or tricycle.
Or even a bicycle built for two. It's a Sunday morning, so we're actually gonna head to church this morning. One of our followers, Jeff Henderson, has a friend here in the area that's a pastor at a local church, so we're gonna check it out. Here's our little girl, sleeping as usual. That's her favorite pastime. Isn't it, Gray Gray? Well, we're back here in the van. It's time to get ready for church. Time to go.
It was there by faith I received my sight, and now I am happy all the day.
We've been hanging out here at the beach in the van, backing up more of our files, getting our phones cleared off so we can make more video for you. And in a few minutes, we're going to be meeting up with some other van lifers. Another white van has arrived to the beach. I wonder who might be in it. Look, it's Trudy! Hi.
So funny because we feel like we know you guys.
Well, that's how it is. Even talking to you on the phone, I was like, it just sounds like I'm so used to her voice.
That was your whole build, I think. So
Yeah.
we know.
Yeah.
I know.
But what I liked about your build was you guys were honest about it.
We're getting ready to have a little picnic with Tony and Trudy from Stat Travels. So here's our spread.
Look at this.
All right, so we'll introduce you guys. This is Tony and Trudy from Stat Travel. Tony and Trudy reached out to us after seeing some of our van build videos, and we've kept in touch since. It was so nice to be able to meet them finally in real life and to share some time together.
All right, welcome to our van. Totally different than Steve and Audra's. We'll go all the way. So ours is set up to be able to run and carry our grandkids with us if we need to. So we have the kid seats in there now. Trudy sleeps here. I sleep up here. This one's so high because you'll see in a minute all the bikes are underneath here, and I couldn't get any lower. Fridge, microwave, we're able to run it all off our Generac, which I'll show you in the back. And I just use cheap LED lighting, strip lights. I just cut them and made them fit and soldered the wires to them and put them in between the ceiling, and it works perfect for us.
That's cool.
But I want to be able to, if I have to, strip it out and here because they're curtains, they come down, so nothing impedes any of that, and everybody's protected as far as that goes. And I used
I did short.
what's the company that does a lot of stuff? Van Do It is a company. I watch their stuff. They do a lot of their cabinets, open cabinets like this. These kept falling off. I didn't want to be folding them up, so I just
But I'm with you. It's hard.
tack them in,
Okay.
and then they stay up all the time. We don't have to worry about storing them. And that's, in a van, that's the thing you're always worried about, is where you store something. And this I built around the AC units underneath here for the rear.
Right.
And I just built around it. That's cool. And it just sits, otherwise it's a dead spot.
Yeah.
It's like
Oh, look
cabinet
at
slides.
that.
Those are just cabinet slides,
So smart.
which I got off somebody else on YouTube showed me that. And made it cabinet slides just enough,
So at night I could just shut the door and then.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Those slide out.
Very nice.
So what are your favorite things about the van and van life?
The fridge, the microwave, and the bathroom.
I think for me, it's just being able to go anywhere and know that you can survive for 24 hours at the most part, and having your food with you and just go wherever you want to go and do whatever, haul your bikes around and do your thing.
Well, it's been great seeing your van. We're here at the trolley stop. We're going to jump on the trolley and check out historic Bridge Street, which is just a little bit farther north of us. Here comes the trolley.
I'm in witness protection. You're gonna
Oh,
erase those pictures.
all right. We won't tell anybody that we saw you.
Well, we've had a really nice time here at Maria Island.
We've enjoyed hanging out with Tony and Trudy. Now, we're running out of daylight, but we're gonna go see if we can see anything over at the little town of Cortez. It's an old fishing village, so we'll just maybe drive around and get a couple quick pictures. It's time to head back to the van, put some things away, and get back on the road. So I wish I had done a little more research on the town of Cortez. I had read a couple articles highlighting it as that historic fishing village, but it was a little different than we expected. We thought it would be a little bit easier to park somewhere and walk around town, and that's really not the kind of place it is. So there are some great restaurants where you can see the fishing stuff going on around, but we kind of missed out on doing that. But it probably is worth a visit if you know more what you're doing. There's a little maritime museum and some other things there, but nearby there's all the other beaches and other things to do, so it's a neat little area, and we had a great time with Tony and Trudy.
So I think we're going to leave you here for this episode. Tune in next time when we're going to meet up with even more van lifers.
Even more van lifers as we travel north, making our way up the Gulf Coast. So make sure to tune in next time. Hit that like button, leave us a comment. We love hearing from you. And we'll see you then.
See ya. Good morning, everybody. We're on the Anna Maria Island.
We're on the Anna Maria Island, not that. All right.
I just need to keep it closer to my mouth.
Just hold it up. There you go. I guess I had a little bit of a problem too. Just a little bit.